Good morning, James Facer with Noritz. I'm the National Commercial Manager. We're at AHR 2026, excited to showcase our Modular Series. So this is going to be for larger applications, hotels, universities, those types of applications, multifamily, where you want to be able to have a pre-assembled rack. So this will be something that can be specified by engineers, but contractors, if you need a solution that's plug and play, look no further than our TTS Synergy Series, Modular. We have everything incorporated on these racks. So it's freestanding, we have all the manifolds pre-piped, of course the heaters are pre-installed, but we're able to address building recirculation. In this example, there's multiple recirc lines that are incorporated. We also have the ability to do tankless with storage. So we have the system pump already incorporated with all the controls to make your life easy. And most importantly, the best features of all of these, not only that they're expanding where you can match our system up with your facility needs, is the one point of connection for power, and then for water, gas, condensate, and again, building recirculation. So being able to get the job done really quick this is the solution for you to be able to have a plug and play solution, one point of connection. And again, as you can see, the expanded with 1.6 million BTUs on this system. We actually provide the unions to connect the multiple racks. So we have a primary and then a secondary. If you need even more units and firepower, we got you covered there too as well. So we could continue to broaden this out based on your facility needs. Look for more information on this at noritz.com, and you'll look at TTS Synergy Series and be able to find all of these solutions there. Look forward to working with you.